was ever since 1964, I've been saving silver. So right now I'm trading in my silver to buy more Bitcoin, because the silver I was buying was at 10 cents an ounce. Today it's $30 an ounce. So the dollar went down, the price of silver and gold went up. So now I'm going to trade that for Bitcoin. So I want to talk about Bitcoin. It's your generation. It's people I'm concerned about are my generation, younger guys, because they don't know anything about it. And the reason Bitcoin is doing so well is because my generation or generation before, America is now the biggest debtor nation in history. They're printing $1 trillion every 90 days. And as much as I like President Trump, as a friend of mine, they don't talk about it. They don't talk about how they're going to handle that debt. Now, they brought in, Elon Musk and the Vivek to be the Doge, Department of Government Efficiency or something. If they do what they do, it's going to sink this whole economy. So that's why for years I've saved silver and gold, but now I'm taking all my silver and gold and converting to Bitcoin. And there's an organization called Bitcoin Zella. Their programs are really, really good and simple for an old guy like me. Well, you guys understand this stuff, but the old guys don't. So Bitcoin Zella is the one they come in and they explain to you what is happening. They have Michael Saylor and those characters. There was a guy named Raoul. Years and years ago, I was asking him about Bitcoin, and he says, you better start buying it now. So thanks to Raoul, I bought it at $6,000. Today it's $96,000. And I still talk to old guys my age. But what's so good about it? I said, well, one time it was 10 cents. Now it's 96,000. You get the numbers? There is something about old people who can't get it. Check in on YouTube, listen to them, figure it out, start listening to figure it out. And this guy, Michael Saylor, he's using it to stock his treasury. I talked to my own company. They'd rather save dollars than Bitcoin. It's one of the biggest mistakes I've seen old guys making. Boomer generation, they still rather have fake dollars than Bitcoin. So again, it's Bitcoin Zella. Listen to it, go to YouTube, check it out, because the dollar is coming down. Let me say it again. If I was to spend $1 a second, it would take me 31,688 years to spend $1 trillion. And like I said, what I'm angry at, the fuck Obama, he put your generation in debt, student loan debt. These sons of bitches, these academic, Democrat, liberal, commie pinkos, what is wrong with them? So that's what disturbs. One more thing I want you to look at here is that one of the reasons I'm one of the owners of this place here is because my poor dad just played golf. My rich dad owned the golf course. What does your father teach you about the game of golf? I suck at the game. I hate golf. I don't hate it. It just takes a lot of time to get good at it. But I own 5 golf courses because I get paid to own them. I don't get paid to play on them. So that's what, to all the younger people out there, times have really, really changed so rapidly, but too many people are operating with old ideas. So that's my concern right now. I'm switching as fast as I can out of gold and silver into Bitcoin, because I think Bitcoin in 2025, it'll probably go to 250,000 a coin. So thanks to Raoul, I was buying it at 6. I got lots of it. I'm getting richer as the dollar goes down. But my age group, the old boomer guys, we have no idea what's going on, and they choose to be stupid and poor. But this is one of the biggest changes, this Bitcoin change, one of the biggest changes I have ever seen. I think anybody's lifetime. But the old guys just are not getting it. So that's my concern.
Why do you think the old people don't get it?
They're fucking stupid. I've studied this for most of my life since I was 16. Well, I'll just say that much. When I was 16 years old, I started looking at what we call the quarters and half dollars. And then when I was 18 years old, our silver coins, like the quarters and half dollars, turned into fake money. That was 1965. They turned pure silver into copper. And they violated, I'll talk to you guys about Gresham's Law. Gresham's Law is when fake money enters the system, good money goes into a hiding. And then in 1971, Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. I mean, everybody should know that. But the boomers are so fucking stupid, they don't pay attention to it. They go, oh, it's for $1. I'm getting a pay raise. I'm getting this. I'm saving dollars. I got some CDs. I got a 401k. I got a S&P 500 stocks. But that's not the problem. The problem is our money. I don't know what's wrong with people. This is the biggest change in world history, the shift from fake money to crypto, the digital money. And I'm on it as hard as I can. Like I said, Bitcoin Zella, they do a great job of educating people. Raoul does a great job. Talks about banana, because right now the price of Bitcoin is going through the roof. That means the dollar's coming down. But the people my age still save dollars. Dollars coming down, Bitcoin's getting up. They can't get it. They can't get it. They're so fucking stupid. I can't believe it. And so the rich will get richer. You guys will get richer. But my generation's toast. They're still hanging on to their 401k and IRA, and the bond market collapses or the yield curve shifts. This is going to be the biggest change in world history. And the average guy playing golf today has no idea what I just said. So that's the biggest problem of all.
So if you want to find out the top 3 things that school should have taught you about money, and 3 is light, man. They don't teach you anything. But the top 3 things the school did not teach you about money. Please watch the next videos.